Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It is March 14th. It is a weekend where people are being asked to kind of stay inside or at least reduce human contact while the coronavirus gets hopefully mellows out. So I decided to take this weekend and put the catch can on the car. I've done a video installing this piece before on my previous Camaro, but I just decided to make another one. I actually was able to do it a little easier this time, skip a few steps. I don't really know if it made it easier or hard, or I just didn't have a 10mm deep socket to get the posts off the engine cover. Not the end of the world, I still managed, as you will see. So, let's get into it. As you can see, we start off by removing the clips on the top of the engine cover, removing the fuel pipe that comes out of there, and then the next thing we'll do is take the left side engine cover, or coil cover, whatever you want to call that, off. I had a little difficulty because the camera was in the way, as you can see, popping it off, but there's just two posts that allow that to clip on there, and it normally just slides right off. Next, we normally want to remove this clip, but it was about this moment where I realized I probably didn't need to actually remove the clip or the engine cover, because you can kind of see the PCV hose right there, recirc. You can see it kind of makes a loop. And I figured I could get my hands in there and actually remove the PCV hose itself. So I was actually able to do that, sneak my hands in there, push the clips in, and actually pop it out. You remove these bolts that hold the tower brace on, and basically I cleaned it off while I'm there because the engine was dirty. Mount a catch can. Make sure it's not going to hit anything. This one didn't fit as well as I liked it to. I don't know why. I thought the one on my last generation, or last Camaro, fit a lot better. So tighten it down, run the hoses. Now, one thing I want to make sure, the bottom hose goes on the right side of the catch can. Now that said, I don't have, for some reason in this catch can it doesn't say in or out, but once I got it all situated, tighten the Allen heads down, make sure everything's in place. Everything's not completely tightened down yet, as I want to make sure everything fits right, but I'm tightening down the 10mm bolt here that you are required to loosen a little bit. After that, get back to the catch can, making sure everything is where it needs to be. It's a little tight, tighter than I like. This catch can is actually different. The hoses they look OE, which is fine, but the last ones I had were a shinier black that said Mishimoto on them. So, but we put the engine cover back on. Snaps back into place with the fuel clips. And that's that. Make sure everything's tight. Make sure everything is good to go. One last check. And there we go. Installed. As you can see, the hoses, I mean, they look factory, which I'm fine with. Well, everyone, that is that. Pretty simple install. Probably one of the easiest things you can do on the Camaro, and probably one of the most necessary. As we all know, direct injection, blah, 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 void your warranty, blah, 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 blah. Do your own research. If you want to put one on, great. If you don't care. I put them on my cars. It's just something I like to do. Even though I don't tend to keep them that long, I like the mental placebo that is the catch can. So there'll be more videos to come. Feel free to subscribe and like, and I will see you all next time. Have a good weekend.